I call the meeting to order. Good morning
Good morning.
and a
Good
warm
morning.
welcome to all the guests. PDG Prafulji, members, district dignitaries, Rotarians, invited guests. We take initiatives to spread awareness for greater good of the society, and today's topic falls in the same line. COVID-19 has brought about a lot of changes. Turning the economy upside down, it has made us adopt to the new normal. There are positives like no traffic jams, fewer cars on the roads, saving of time and fuel. Once we learn how to manage this process and achieve some balance between personal contact and efficiency, this is a new normal that will be around for a while. This webinar aims to address the fear of air travel during the pandemic by particularly focusing on the quality of the air inside the cabin as a major part of the passenger journey takes place inside the cabin aircraft. We are really thankful to PDG Praful Sharma, who has agreed to grace today's occasions as chief guest. May I now request Prafulji to bless the webinar with his insights.
Thank you, President
Thank
Kala.
you.
Thank you so much. Good morning and namaskar to everyone. Greetings from District Governor Sunil Mehra and from all the Rotarians to the panelists and non-Rotarians who are joined here as a moderators. What an interesting topic it is. Of course, the luminaries are sitting here from the aviation industry. What can I say about aviation? But of course, on behalf of Rotarians and District Governor Sunil Mehra, I must say something about my own experience with the civil aviation industry as a passenger, as well as the person who imported few machines from my factory for the, of course, for the cargo aviation also. I wish all the panelists, all the participants, all the moderators very best. और मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपको कि कार्यक्रम के अंत में आप बहुत सारी जानकारी लेकर जाएंगे. Once again, on behalf of District Governor Sunil Mehra, greetings to all and very best and lovely weekend. Thank you. Namaskar.
May I now request Rotarian Manmohan Chawla, our Director International Service, who is the moderator for today's session, to take the session forward.
Thank you, Kala. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. This is Manmohan Chawla, and I'll be the moderator for this program. And my co-moderator is Subhashis Modak, who is also the director of learning for Udan Aviation Academy. Our first speaker is Harpreet Singh Dey. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Harpreet Dey Singh. Ma'am, request you for your remarks.
So good morning, and firstly a big thank you to the Rotary Club of India as well as the Udan Aviation Academy. Let me get down to the subject directly now. The Aeronautical Society of India as well as the IWPA, which is our Indian women professionals, Indian women pilots in India as well as abroad, all of us are definitely together in this goal of a safe aviation environment. We have to get out of this so much of fear mode. I understand you have to take care. We understand that we have to be cautious and we have to apply formal, systematic approach to do a thorough risk analysis to mitigate the risk, bring down the risk to as low as reasonably practicable so that your operations can continue, passengers can travel to and fro. I hope I gave you some aspects of the safety. And we are continuously monitoring, by the way. Every flight we are monitoring, we get reports, we're looking at feedback, and we're always ready to change and continuously improve. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just seen that Mr. Sunil Mehra, our DG, has joined. And therefore request DG Sunil Mehra to kindly say a few words.
All about aviation. Travel and travel planning are being kind of disrupted by the worldwide spread, of course, of the virus. I think for those holding onto hopes of a roaring surge in travel demand, once we are told no longer to have the fear, like you were speaking, or guard against the virus, the data are beginning to stack up against you all and against the endangered airline, hotel, and related travel industries. The airline industry does not have to address just the issue of fuel charges and the capacity filling, but actually how to address the fear of travelers and satisfy that it's safe to fly. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now go on to the first technical speaker of our day. He is Mr. Sailesh Deshmukh.
Today our subject is air travel. I'm going to talk about aircraft cabin air and what safeguards are built in the system. Airflow pattern in the lavatories is similar to the cabin from the ceiling to the floor. Air coming out of lavatories is not allowed to mix with the cabin air. It is directly sucked out of the aircraft. The galleys in the aircraft are similarly vented out. Galley lavatory vent system is a separate system. Galley and lavatory air is kept clean by this system. While in the lavatory, taps and surfaces may have been touched. Sanitizing and washing off before and after use will be a good practice. It is advisable to carry your own wet wipes and be safe. Thank you for listening and happy flying.
Now it's a great pleasure for me to introduce our third speaker for the day, Colonel Dr. K. Nageshwar Rao.
A very good morning to everyone. Let me begin by saying that is COVID a disease worth the kind of attention it is getting? Or is it a disease created by an information epidemic? All of you are aware that the airline industry has taken a huge beating, but we are quite positive. We are quite positive that this fear, which will be addressed by Dr. Punita after me, would be taken care of, and it will ensure that we grow back to our previous levels. I'll go step by step as to what a passenger will expect once he leaves his home and what he should be doing. I would say it is pretty safe to travel, and provided you follow the measures that we have just enumerated, and we can take it forward from there. Thank you for this opportunity for speaking.
We next have Dr. Punita Masrani.
So my topic for you today is fear, and I'm going to take all of you out of the aircraft, out of the airport for some time, back into your homes or offices where you are, and talk a little more about yourself.
Thank you, Dr. Punita, for those valuable insights. Moving on, we have got our final distinguished guest of the day, Mr. Vinod Shukla. So I would request Shukla sir to shed light on behind the scenes of work that goes into keeping the passengers disease-free at 35,000 feet. Over to you, Shukla sir.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's my privilege that I've been called upon to have my point of view on this topic. It's a very, very interesting topic as on date for every passengers trying and planning for flying in near future. Air is coming from the engine RFU and adding more air into the cabin, then calibrated amount of air is thrown out of aircraft. The air from here is coming to you. You are sitting on these chairs. From the side, the riser ducts are there, which is rising this air and throwing on our overhead. And then it is moving down, and at the bottom of your floor, it is sucked. So whatever used air is there, it is sucked from there. With this, I just want to say technically that yes, welcome on board. And so thank you so much.
Now let's moving on to our Q&A session, and the chat boxes are open for the participants to drop in their questions, and I will address them to the panelists one by one. Thank you to all the panelists for answering the queries. I would now hand it over to President-elect Ashish Patankar to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, Ashish sir.
This has been a fantastic session, and I'm sure any average air traveler would have been addressed his concerns in the safety of his flight to wherever he wishes to travel in this COVID times. Thank you very much.